Helicopter parenting, helping or hurting? Helicopter parenting is when parents hover over their kids, managing every detail of their lives. While it's done out of love, it can harm their independence, problem solving, and emotional resilience. Research shows it often leads to higher anxiety and lower self-esteem in kids as they grow. But here's the good news: balanced guidance makes a big difference. Encouraging independence while being there when needed helps kids develop autonomy and confidence. Want to raise capable kids? Set boundaries, trust their choices, and let them learn from mistakes.